Just want to talk real quick about the Sandflex hand block. A lot of people don't have a clue what this thing is. It's a sanding block. It's a gritty texture. This one is the medium. I like the medium the best. But it cleans rust from tools, right? So that's the key. Let's see if I can set this here. Doing things on video is always hard. I'm sure you understand. So you have your sanding block, and when you get your slight rust and pitting, you can just come in here and hopefully you can see a lot of that removed right away. And that was, just a few seconds. I sped it up for the film. And then I also come back with your dad's or grandpa's favorite WD-40, giving a little more protection. And you can just watch the rust run off. See all that coming out of there? Really wonderful product. And you think to yourself, well, the WD-40 is doing that. And I'm like, no, it's the sanding block. The sanding block does that. And if you're curious, it's a product of Germany, but it comes out of Hickory, North Carolina.